Spet, I'm trying to play this clip and everything just froze.
No problem, take your time.
You see, my
The
TikTok
third
just,
one is this, the third one.
yes, that's the one.
Okay.
Let's go through a quick phone extraction. To ensure that the proper device drivers are used, please hold on connecting the device to your computer until you've opened XRY. After opening XRY, connect the device to a USB port in your computer or the XRY communication hub. Click on Extract, and the Connected Devices ribbon will display any auto-detected devices already connected. As a general practice, we recommend navigating to the specific device profile by clicking on Manually Find Devices and Apps. Today we will dump an LG H735 G4S Beat LTE phone. Generally, searching by a unique portion of the device model number helps narrow down the search very quickly. You may also search by the IMEI of the device. Both model number and IMEI are typically found by removing the battery cover and battery. On Apple devices, the model number is usually found on the back cover towards the bottom. To search for today's phone, type in H735. Specific notes for the extraction will be in the right pane, starting with notes for a logical extraction, followed by notes for a physical extraction as you scroll below. The notes will include key information, including which cable to use, what can be extracted, and any device-specific information you should take note of. In this case, you'll note that a physical dump can be performed in 10 minutes, and the pattern lock can be bypassed even if USB debugging is not enabled. Click on Continue. Click on Physical, and additional instructions will appear, showing you how to place this device in firmware update mode. Follow the instructions and click OK. Next, you will want
Yes, Spet. Good afternoon.
Afternoon, Jabs. I just wanted to remind our viewers that we were still busy with AVL when the Google Maps acted up. I knew you had to move to another place to get better connection, and I hope you found better connection because we need to show them that clip. But what did you just show me?
Yes, Spet, like we always want to keep the real minds mastering what's going to happen. So real masterminds, what we're showing there, it's the clips because we are here to educate you.
Yes.
It's the video clip of how a cell phone download should be done. They should have had a physical dump because we went in extreme length on previous episode to explain what is the software that was being used by the police. So the software that was being used by the police, it's called XRY. The manufacturer, which is MSEP, I'm sure you may have seen the sound of that. Now, Suspect, let's just continue with the part 2 of our AVL record because we've been asked, people have been saying that we've been wanting to hear Njabulo and his AVL. Apparently, at some point, I trended on Twitter saying that Gazi Njabu TikToker, Njab's Gaza Nation likes to hear the sound of his voice.
Own voice,
Because I like to educate and talk alone because I don't want people to be implicated on certain things because I do not use allegedly.
Yes.
What I say things with a view of educating people. Now, I'm going to try and share the screen. What I'm going to share is the part of the AVL record that we're busy with on the previous episode.
Okay.
Now, Suspect, we were looking at the GPS unlock in the morning. Remember?
Yeah.
In the morning, that's on the 19th of June at 6 a.m.
Yes.
Remember, this is the time when Danzi did not sleep. This is the time people are saying Danzi's mixing up days. Danzi, there is no way that Danzi will have known the dates because it didn't have the watch.
Yes.
So the 18th and the 19th up until the 20th, those full 36 hours, Ntanzi was awake. Ntanzi was deprived
Of
time to sleep. But who kept quiet? Rata kept quiet.
Exactly.
Now, we looked at this GPS unlocked because we are trying to demystify a notion of saying that GPS unlocked means it means that there's no signal. That's hogwash. You see now, if it says GPS unlocked,
and it's actually what they said in court, that GPS unlock means there's no signal, they lost signal.
No, it cannot be true, because I'm going to remind the masterminds that we are currently looking, when we're looking at the AVL system, we've shown them this diagram that when we're looking at the AVL system, this is what we use. We'll use the form of the truck as the Fortuner. The Fortuner is installed this device. This is a device that actually records the coordinates. It's connected to the vehicle computer box. So now it only goes to the GPS for it to confirm that, oh, these coordinates that I'm in, I am in this logical position. Because the connection is one way, it just says, oh, can I confirm? The GPS says, oh, what you want, because now you are at this coordinate. That's what the satellite will say. Where you are, because now you are at this coordinate. What do you want from me? You understand? And the report came out from here. Now let's go back. Now, suspect, I'm going to go now to the GPS. Remember, we must go back to take
the last
our
one.
Yes, to the coordinates, so that we can run through with the new people. The coordinates that we have suspect is we're looking at all the GPS unlocked. GPS unlocked is 601, but we're looking at the one at 606. These are the same ones.
Yeah,
now,
the same.
Also, masterminds, can you see the screen? Let me zoom again deeper in the screen, suspect. Look at the times. The times are 601, 606, 611.
So
now,
it's a matter of seconds.
No. It's a matter of minutes. Long minutes.
Yeah, minutes. From 01 to 011 is about 10 minutes.
In fact, up until 2015, you see, look at when the vehicle started moving. This is in this like a good 15 minutes, the vehicle had disappeared. But this is a good time to make a person scream. Look at this, how the GPS was updating. Every minute, you see. Look, let's look at this. Every minute. But then now when you start looking at the spacing around suspect, you will see, when you look at the writing, of this template, you will see that the writing, it's first capital letter and then small letters. Now look at this. Every time when there's a new word, it starts with the capital letter. People that have done Excel or database design, we validate how the structure of the word should be. We put and underscore if the first letter of that word should be a capital letter or something like this program, but we're not going to get there. But look at the nature of GPS.
Unlocked.
It changes suspect the pattern. You see, it's capital letter and capital letter. Look at this.
But unlock starts with a
letter.
Wow.
Now do you see? That is why when we go deeper into this analysis suspect, that's when we start to see that there's something wrong about the font and the editing of this spreadsheet. Hence, for me, I can easily say that, you know what, everything here is cooked. Now, let us then now go to the Google Maps.
Okay.
Yes, let me stop sharing. I'm going to share again on the Google Maps. We did take the coordinates, remember? Did we take the coordinates?
Yeah, we did.
Now, all right, let us share again. Let's go to Google Maps. If we come through to Google Maps, let us put the coordinates in a correct way. It's minus 26.
Okay,
No,
yes.
let's put them in the correct way first.
Minus 26,
Minus 26, yes,
comma 2630,
yes.
and then
Okay,
27,
yes.
comma 8856.
Okay, let me just minus 26.
Comma
Minus,
2630,
comma 2630,
mm-hmm.
and comma, then we have 27, comma 8856.
8856.
Okay, I'm copying it as it is, suspect, because we might use it. Let me just do. Okay, let me just refresh. Okay, let me just out, because now Google Maps. Because now we don't want people to Google Maps to think that we're going
Okay,
against.
you're going to start over. No problem.
Yes. Remember, I've copied there the coordinate, copied and paste. Let's load now. Let's see. Let's zoom in. We can see now it's Chris Hani Street, it's Matthew, it's Regina Modi, there's Elias Motwaledi. Suspect what I want people to remember. Remember, we spoke about Sasol Garage and abandoned
ATMs, yes.
Yes. Now, for some odd reason, the vehicle disappeared. I have checked, yes, suspect. The signal in this area is very strong in Soweto. The vehicle gets a GPS unlock when it's here in the street. Now, do you see why Ndanzi's version is correct?
Yes.
Now they took Ndanzi down here. The coordinates remained here. People will always ask, what then happens here? I think it's the cooking gone wrong because they maintain the same coordinates at the same place. Now, who else then we can blame for this area? You see, people that knows, they said that, up there is an abandoned power station. You see, and they said there is a small road that goes up here.
There it is.
Yes, there is it. There's this road. Now, what I am saying here, what we're trying to show Mastermind suspect is that at least the coordinates are confirming Danzi's version, but even so suspect, they even go further. There are these poles, the steel poles that are here.
Yes.
Even further suspect, what then it does? It also confirms that why every time where there is a place where the police needs to explain,
then is GPS
what does
unlocked?
the GPS? Yes.
Oh, goodness.
Now, Siskert, as we...
I'm lost for words. You know what, in Japs, it's sorry to interrupt you there. I'm just thinking, these people have came together. I just premiered the previous video that we do. They trusted one another. They came together, they had meetings, and they planned how are they going to destroy the lives of these 5 accused persons without any, you know what, it means that this is something that they are used to do.
Yes.
Without they don't have any conscience anymore. They are used to doing it. They are throwing people in jail. They are plotting people, trumped up charges. Remember what we spoke about yesterday? Trumped up charges. They throw them in jail and then they forget about them and move to the next victim. These people are people who are probably Christians, who call themselves Christians. And it's not only Black people here. we have coloreds, we have white people, it's a mixture.
Yes.
And they are these little demigods who decides who is going to be the next target. And at night, they go back to their families. They are happy with the children. Everyone is in the house. They don't care what happened to the children and the families of those people that they have plotted and thrown in jail. And then they eat, they have a good time, and then they go to bed and sleep like babies. How do they live with themselves?
Yeah, it's one suspect when we talk about that in the country, you'll have people that will have a calling to assist other South Africans to protect the institutions of the country from very bad people to destroy them, to actually go in this institution and present untruths. Do you understand? Now, this is why our journey that we're sticking on these matters, because we are talking about information that is not the accurate reflection of what has transpired. And now the case is billing our taxpayers' money.
Yes.
We're paying through. Now we're going to have to wait up until the 5th of March. I've always told people that I do not see this case continuing because it is a miscarriage of justice. Speaking about the miscarriage of justice aspect, we need to continue with our AVL education, because now Ntanzi tells us about two things. He says he did not make a confession with Rapatu in the morning. He only made the confession with Rapatu in the afternoon. The previous coordinates that we've given you, suspect, those were coordinates of the morning when Ntanzi again was being deprived of sleep. He was taken somewhere in Sasol. Hence, he talks about traveling from Albertine because they were making him travel in circles so that they can confuse his memory. The coordinate and the information that is provided us, these are things that constantly remind us whether, because the abandoned ATMs are spotted in two things. Same place in Soweto as somebody, the Twitter that we also show somewhere in the event. You see, these are places when Ntanzi was tortured according to his version. Let me share the screen against his pet. We are going through this AVL record. Is a document that was shared in court. Now, Suspect, can you see that we are now on the 20th?
Yeah.
Let me just zoom out a bit. Now, we are now on the 20th. In the afternoon, we are focusing on the GPS unlock. Before we get to the GPS unlock, let's look at the vehicle. The vehicle is driving, it's updating 1740, 41, 41, 43. You see the sequence, how it's updating when there is no issue. But now let's look at the GPS unlock. When you look at the GPS unlock again, then you start to see certain things. This time did not exist according to the first version of Mogane. Mogane says they took Ntanzi to Vosloorus on the 19th. Then around 1:30, once the matter was not posted in the roll, Mogane in its first version in court will deal with it later on. He says they then left, they phoned Brigadier, and Brigadier says, let's drive to Northwest, we're gonna meet there. So according to Mogane's first version, they left Vosloorus court to Phokeng at about 1:30. But then when the AVL comes back, now they says no, when they left court, they went back to Soweto, Soweto because Mabena had forgotten the keys. But according to Ntanzi's version is that after Vosloorus, he was then taken to Rapatu in Baragwanath Hospital. Now you see that Ntanzi's version before Mogane, because Mogane said Ntanzi's version didn't make sense. But then now when they brought AVL, now that's when now Ntanzi's version started to make sense. Let's look at about 1548. Can we take these coordinates as pet? It says 27.
Yes.
Where is it now? At 15, the GPS unlock.
27, 9430.
9430. Then we have minus 26.2606. Now let us go now to our map and see, because these coordinates look like they are all the same. Which one is different? Yes, looks like they are all the same.
Yeah, they are all the same.
Yes, before we go there, I want to stop sharing. I want us to share again, because now this is around Baragwanath Hospital. I want us this page to go to a blank Google map. Let me just share the screen.
Okay.
I want us to go back to Google, new tab on Google. Now, I want to ask, what are the coordinates? Yes, GPS coordinate for Baragwanath Hospital. You see, I've done this thing before. Let's just look. Sis Pat, let's just read what you have now. But you see now, Sis Pat, we've said to the masterminds that the way that the GPS is present, the coordinates are presented, they presented incorrectly because we start from the negative. Remember that.
I remember
this was
that.
not. When we look here, you see now, this is what now. They will tell you now latitude, longitude. Now let's look. Baragwanath Hospital. There's the coordinates. Minus 26. 120 minus 27, but it's more or less the same thing that we have. But anyway, we now know this is how the coordinates are read.
Yes.
Now, let us now stop sharing. I'm going to go to the Google map so that we can put in the coordinates that we've taken earlier on. Can you see my screen, Sis Pat?
Not yet.
Okay, let me just share. I'm not sure what's happening now. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
It's a GPS. All right. Let us first put them as they are. We said it's 27, because now at least the vehicle is driving around Soweto.
Yes.
Let's put them as they are and see, because that's what was presented in court. It's 27. Yes, can you read that for me?
27,9430.
Comma
9430.
Yes.
Minus 26.
Minus 26.
Comma 2606.
2606.
Yes.
I will copy Sis Pat information. Let's just search.
Somewhere because in the ocean now, again.
Yes, because all we want, let's zoom out and see where this thing takes us. Because we're trying to read these things as how they presented.
Presented it in court. Yes,
we
are at the same place, Western Sahara, in the
You see in now, now, Sis Pat, let us present this thing as how it should be presented now. We start with the minus. Because Sis Pat, South Africans, they are always quick to say, we're not fighting the state. We know that the state is more than capable of doing this thing. Now, guess what we're seeing now, Sis Pat? It's GPS unlocked.
And it's at a hospital.
Look, the hospital, which hospital are we in? Which hospital are we in? Sis Pat, I want you. Remember, Racha said, you see the bridge that Racha spoke about? When you enter in Baragwanath, the bridge.
He said there was a bridge that blocked the signal.
Yes. Sis Pat, the bridge is before. You see, Sis Pat, you driving down. You are driving down Bar, Chris Hani Street, Sisphet. You're driving down Chris Hani Street. Let me take back Mastermind to the AVL coordinate, so that Sisphet, they don't say that maybe we editing things. This is educational.
And for that matter, everyone can just go and confirm for himself if they cannot take as our version as face value, like they have been taking this version as face value in court.
Yes, Sisphet, there you are. Now, for the record of this thing, before the GPS unlock, let's find this coordinate, Sisphet. We're gonna open another tab, and we need to write this coordinate outside.
Okay.
You see, this is the coordinate.
Before the
which is
GPS unlocked is
Yes,
279440.
Yes, 44.
440 minus 262601.
Yes. So, Sisphet, you see that now we are driving down Baragwanath Hospital, Chris Hani Street. Yes.
That's what it says on the GPS,
Yes.
on the AVL.
Yes. Now, if we go back and we share on the coordinates that we plugged, those are the coordinates, the before coordinates of that. Now, do you see that this is all Potchefstroom Road, this is Chris Hani Street. You see, when you're about to enter Bar, there is a dedicated lane for you. You see, there's a split here, island. You already turn and you curve into the security. Then you go where? Inside the parkings. People that have been to Parasispech, once you enter, you turn immediate left, you enter, it's inside there. We have explained that the GPS coordinates, the unit in the car says, oh, GPS, you want me? I stopped when I was here. So then Dan's version is correct. Now, I will leave this tab here. I'm going to share again a new tab that is empty. We're going to use the tab that we're using for our Google. Remember when we were searching the coordinate?
Yeah.
Now I'm going to go back. Can you see this tab, Sisphet? I'm going to say Google Maps. There's Google Maps here. Let me click on it. Looks like I don't have network now.
Can you just try again?
Google Maps. Let's just search. There you go. Let me just click Google Maps. There you go. Now, Sisphet, I want us to punch in the coordinates that we took just before the GPS unlock.
27.
Remember? No, we're going to take them as minus so that
Okay,
we can
minus
say
26.
minus 26.
Dot 2601.
2601.
And then 27.
27, yes.
9440.
9440. Let me just copy it just in case the network needs us to refresh so that we don't have to type this thing again. Sisphet, just before the GPS unlock. Sisphet, can you see the screen?
I can see, yes, I can see.
This is the last coordinate point before the GPS unlock. You see why I'm saying that now? This GPS that was presented in court is cooked, Sisphet. This has already decided that they've moved away from the Chris Hani Baragwanath Hospital. This coordinate is inside.
Wow.
You have already made a decision that you are entering Baragwanath Hospital. You are before the gate that Racha was talking about. Sisphet, let me remind, I'm not sure, are you able to see the screen again?
I'm seeing still the screen of the hospital.
Yes, let's just share again.
We are left with 6 minutes.
Yes, we're summarizing now, Sisphet.
Okay.
We're saying here, they have already turned
inside, turn into the direction of the hospital.
After, yes.
So there's no way they can say they will know that you were not near the hospital. The coordinates place them at the hospital.
Yes. What it means, Suspect, is that as sad as it is, I challenge Tracker. I challenge Tracker, the big company, the mighty Dupree. I challenge the Brigadier. I challenge SITA. I challenge all the supporters of the state. I am saying, I, as Njabulo, suspect the AVL that was presented to us is not the reflection of what has transpired. I can say it's a fabricated document. It's a cooked document. It's a fake document that has been presented to mislead the whole world, to undermine our judicial institution, to undermine our SAPS. Our SAPS is our police, South African police. As a South African myself, I have siblings that are police officers. I have brothers that are police officers. I have friends that are serving our nation as police officers. I cannot allow corrupt police officers that will fabricate information and come to our court and lie. It must end, Suspect. This clip, this information, whether Suspect gets presented when we no longer exist, when it's presented when we were either being killed or vanished, but I'm saying to me, I refuse to look the other side. My duty is to be honest to South Africans. My duty is to make sure that our institutions remain trusted. My duty is to say no to lying police officers. It's sad, Suspect, that 3 years down the line, because people have pushed me, they've pushed me to say I must come with my own version of AVL. I have demonstrated to the real mastermind, Suspect, that what you've been fed since the last 3 years is hogwash, it's nonsense, it doesn't exist, it's a lie, it's a fabrication. That's it, Suspect.
I will add to that, Njabs. I challenge Rada to keep on to be part of this injustice. I challenge the JP to keep on to support corruption and injustice against South Africans. I will even challenge the Chief Justice to keep on being silent while they see what is happening in that court. And I challenge South Africans to stand up, because we don't know who's next. They tried to throw me in jail on trumped up charges because they can. The state can do anything they want because the state are being paid by us, the taxpayers, to do anything they want. So if they decide one day, if a prosecutor, police officer, or a judge decided one day that you will spend the rest of your life in jail, you will spend the rest of your life in jail because they have the resources to keep you in jail for the rest of your life. We are the enablers. We as South Africans, we as taxpayers are the enablers of this corruption because we turn the blind eye. If it doesn't affect me directly, it cannot be my business. Let the neighbors go, whatever is affecting them. You only wake up once it moves closer to home. Me and Jabulo will be here, exposing the deep rot in the justice system. We are still going to come up with explosives, not just in this case, but in
it's
other
not just,
cases.
yes, no, it's not just this one, suspect. Even, South Africa will be shocked. I was going through the record of the bail hearing for the Bafana case. Bafana Mongel, that information suspect looks so perfect, but you know what? I'll leave the real mastermind for that because I've analyzed that, you know what?
A real masterminds, we are going to stop it here. And as we said, you must like, you must subscribe, and you must share, because this is educational for people who doesn't know their rights. We are teaching you your rights and what you should do as a taxpayer. Stop being silent about corruption. Stop turning a blind eye on what is happening in our country. And Jabs, thank you very, very much. Let's meet again on our next edition. And as you said, we are still going to bring out bombs. Thank you, masterminds. Thank you for staying. Please like, please subscribe, and please share. Bye-bye.